What's going on, everybody? It's a gloomy day here in Chicago, so I guess might as well take some time to put this thing on this bad boy right here. 2022 Indian Pursuit. Haven't really had a chance to do a whole lot to it since I got it in November. Pretty cold here in Chicago. I picked it up actually on a snowy day, so I didn't even get a chance to ride it home. But since I've had it, put maybe about 100 miles on it, and I realized I really missed my heel toe shifter, so pick one up. Alright, realistically, there's not a whole lot to this. You got the back part of the shifter. You get two Allen head screws that come with it and washers. You're going to need a 5mm Allen wrench, and I'm going with some blue thread lock just in case I eventually want to change this out for whatever reason. It's strong enough to hold it in place, and I really won't have to get crazy trying to take it off if I use a red thread locker. So it'll probably take a couple minutes to install. Nothing serious at all. Alright, so this is kind of an awkward spot to get in here. You got this, the shift cable right behind it. It's not a whole lot of room here. Let me see, you got this whole area right here, so it's not the biggest amount of room. There's two bolts, one right here where my finger's at, and then one right up. Let me see if I can get a better view. One right here, and one, see if I can get that view. That bracket's in the way, can't really see, but there's two. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is this piece right here has got the threads, so I'm probably just going to throw some of that blue Loctite in these threads right here, and then feed the screw through the back, so that way I don't get thread sealant all over my fingers and stuff. So let's see how well this works. Basically all I'm doing is just feeding the screw through the back. You can kind of see down there now, see how it's kind of started. And that's pretty much all I want to do right now. I don't want to get too tight because then it'll just make getting the top one in a little harder. So now, feed the top one. Got that started. And you can see the thread lock on there feeding through, so that's good. So at least you know it's spreading through all the threads, and it should be pretty snug. There's still a little adjustment, which is nice. So if you want it higher, as you can see, there's some adjustment in this thing, so if you want a higher shift or lower, which is kind of nice. I'm gonna ride with it for a little bit and see which one I like, but I'll start off a little high first, because that's just the way I prefer it. But like I said, it's nice that they give you some adjustability. I didn't check to see if there is a specific torque that you need to torque these onto. I'll check it out. But in the meantime, I just want to get this thing on. Alright. And that's it. Nice and snug. Alright. pretty much all that's to the install. It didn't even take 5 minutes. Most of it was just trying to finagle back there, but yeah, it's not. We got a decent amount of room over here. I'll put in my fingers so that way I have room to kick it all the way down and not hit. I don't have the biggest foot in the world. It's a size 9. But right now, let me lift this up. My foot is against the heel, as you can see, and it's like right about there. Hopefully that light isn't blinding everybody. But side angle view. So I still got move this out the way. I still got room to slide my foot forward, so if you need room, slide your foot back. Well, that should be it for this one. Like I said, it was a simple install. I think altogether it took maybe 5 minutes, if that. Unfortunately, it has now started to rain, so I probably won't be heading out right now to give it a test ride, see what it's like. I'll probably throw like a quick couple-minute update or a short, talking about it to see what my thoughts are. So, like and subscribe, hopefully, if you found any of the information useful. I'm going to be posting more rides, events, travel stuff, hotels to stay, places to go, try to eat, and then probably some upgrades and maintenance on this bad boy right there. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this a little bit helpful, and see you on the next one.